Come to my website, and you guys already know my website is all about healthy foods. So what I have with me today, I have with me here a roll of salad, right? So I'm going to cut the salad up. I'm going to cut it in half, right? I'm going to put the other half right here for now. Set it here at the side for now. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm cutting the salad into slices, all right? And that salad well diced and easy to digest into the body. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in this bowl. All right, I'm going to get the other portion of the salad. I'm going to slice that up as well. Getting that salad into real diced form, so it's easy to digest in the body. Today I'm making salad. Okay, I'm going to pour it in the bowl. So hi guys, so what I already have the salad here, which has been rinsed and also been cut up. Hi guys, so earlier I was able to get the salad well sliced and placed into this bowl. Now what I'm going to place in the salad are some slices of avocado. So I'm going to slice them into cube-like forms. As you guys already know, avocados are very healthy for the body. Very, very healthy. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place the avocado in the salad. So we're getting that salad together with some avocado. I'm taking the large fork and mixing that avocado within the salad. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to get me tomatoes. I'm going to slice the tomato. I'm going to slice it in some cubes. All right, I'm going to place the tomatoes in the salad. I'm going to mix it in, getting that salad well grounded, well spread with that tomatoes in it. So you see, we're adding a little color within our salad. Then I have me some cucumber. I'm going to slice. I'm going to put some cucumbers in the salad. I'm going to slice them in cube-like forms. All right. I don't want the cubes to be too small, so I slice them like this. I'm going to add them in the salad. All right, I'm going to get some more cucumbers because I love me a lot of cucumbers in my salad. Okay, I'm going to add it in the salad. I'm going to mix my salad, mixing it. So we have lettuce, we have avocado, we got tomatoes, we have slices of cucumbers in the salad. And what I'm going to add now, I'm going to add slices of carrots in the salad. Okay. I'm going to mix all of this together. Get me a nice colorful salad. Mixing it nice. Nice colorful salad. So we got all our greens within there. Okay guys, so I have me a bowl of salad. Okay,